Hello, my name is Amalia Darnold, and this project is for my class Accounting, which is ACG 2021. Alright, so this project is going to go over the CAT manufacturing dashboard. So we're going to start by going over each sheet, beginning at the revenue by year sheet. As you can see, from 2019 to 2020 to 2021, the revenue increases, like starting at about 25 million and ending at 43 million. Next would be the total sales by quarter and year. Each quarter increases from quarter 1 to quarter 4, and the same thing goes from 19 to 20 to 21. As you can see, there's starting to be a trend. Each everything coming from revenue to sales increases throughout the years. The revenue by category, this is the 4 main categories, and as you can see, the largest bubble shows the category with the most revenue, which is the materials processing. Next would be the sales by product line. As you can see on the key over here, the lowest amount of sales is the light shade and the highest is the dark shade, which is shown on this as well. Like the largest box and the darkest shade of blue is the highest sales, which is on here it shows the 4 million, and then the lightest shade and smallest box is at 132,000 sales. For top customer in sales, as you can see up here, I edited it so that it goes from highest amount of sales to lowest, and the top customer with the most sales is the Arizona company at 1,773,541 sales, and then the lowest is the Concord Sisters at 0 sales. Next would be the sales and division. As you can see, Germany is pretty consistent throughout the years, unlike United States, which definitely increases from 2019 to 2021. The last sheet is the sales by division map. Over here you can see a key that has Germany, India, Korea, Russia, United Kingdom, and the United States. Alright, last I'm going to go over the dashboard. I just named mine Sales Analysis for CAT Manufacturing. For my interactive dashboard, you can see that, let's say we want to see the everything for top customers or top sales and all that for just the materials processing. So that means I'd click on this and it'll adjust over here to show just the materials processing. You can click it again to go back, and then we can do the same thing down here for the United States. As you can see, it changes. Yeah, and that's about it. My interactive dashboard for sales analysis for CAT manufacturing. Thank you so much.